In this video we're going to be looking at what's included in the Dal Soggio XP1 upgrade kit for WP XPLOR forks, and also hearing some riding impressions from two of my riding buddies who recently purchased the kit from me. The Dal Soggio XP1 fork upgrade kit can be installed on WP XPLOR forks 2017 through 2020. These are fitted on most KTM and Husqvarna off-road bikes. It's available for sale on the Tokyo Offroad web shop, and I'll put a link in the description of this video in case you want to purchase one. And if you open the kit up, the first thing you see is a card, which is actually USB memory and contains a installation video, both in English and Italian, and is very clear and easy to follow. And there's a card which has various settings on it. So it has the recommended oil level setting, also compression and rebound settings. And then it has spring rates for various bikes and rider weights. And then there's a note saying it's XPLOR 2020 ready. So the kit can be installed on WP XPLOR forks 2017 through 2020. Some stickers. There's a sticker which goes on the compression side on 2017 bikes. And then there's details of the shim stacks in the base valve and the mid valve as well. And here you can see the valving components contained in each kit. There's two base valve pistons and shim stacks, and in the middle is the replacement mid valve. And here you can see the stock WP components compared to the Dal Soggio XP1 components. The stock components are actually from a 2020 KTM 300 TPI. The mid valve is very basic on the stock WP fork, and compared to the Dal Soggio mid valve, it's fully tunable. You can change the shim stack if you like. The base valve, the piston design is different, and also the shim stack is different as well. I mentioned that the kit comes with an install video, which is very clear and easy to follow. But one detail is that when you come to remove the stock mid valve, it's important to hold the rod in some jaws like this, which are shaped to hold the rod precisely. Don't be tempted to put the rod in a vise directly. You're going to damage the rod because you need to clamp it fairly tightly. So either make some jaws yourself or purchase some which fit the rod precisely. Also, as you can see here, red Loctite is used in the factory to secure the valve. And you definitely need to apply some heat to this area to soften up the red Loctite before you remove it. In the video, it uses a hot air gun. My preferred method is to use a gas torch and apply plenty of heat, probably heat it up to around 100 degrees C, and then remove it. And once you've installed the kit, you'll need to add some oil, and you should note the recommended oil is Dal Soggio Cube Oil, which is 5 weight, and the stock WP oil is 4 weight. So it's recommended not to use stock WP oil, but use 5 weight oil. Also, you'll need to set the air gap height, and it's recommended 100 millimeters. You can fine tune this depending on how you like the fork to feel. If you want it to be a little softer, you can drop the oil height and increase the air gap, for example, to 110 millimeters. So we installed some Dal Soggio XP1. It's a shim kit and a mid valve in Neil's 2020 KTM 300 TPI. And this is the first ride, so what do you think?
Yeah, it was really good. So previously they would bottom very quickly, so I increased the preload, but then they became very harsh. But now it's really, really smooth, and it basically never bottoms.
Yeah.
So you're feeling really good control pretty much everywhere. So you're more happy to hit things a bit faster.
Yeah.
So for the cost performance, I think it's great.
Yeah.
Highly recommended.
How's it feel at low speed?
Again, it's not such an issue. So it's a little bit more plush, but slow speed you don't really feel it. It's when you start to hit things a bit quicker.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's lost none of the sensitivity.
Okay.
But it's increased the bottoming really, really well.
Okay.
Yeah, highly recommended, guys.
Great. So I fitted the Dal Soggio XP1 kit system to Phil's bike as well. His is a 2017 300 EXC, and today's been his first ride. So what do you think of them?
I love them, mate. Give you so much confidence on the faster sections rather than fast sections.
Yeah.
You get like where you, I know because I know this track, and there's a drop off,
yeah,
which I used to have to absorb with my arms.
Yeah.
And this morning I was doing it, and it was landing beautifully. So it lands, and it really takes the edge off it.
Much more progressive.
It's definitely more progressive, yeah.
Yeah.
And something I just like my old ones. I never complained about them because it's just for what we do.
Yeah.
But this is really helping.
Yeah.
And there's a bunch of whoops over there as well. Now I would have made it over there the same speed on my old forks, but like I say, your arms have to take it all.
Yeah.
This one just absorbed it.
Yeah.
Especially the downhill jumps I like.
Yeah.
It really lands beautifully.
So overall, you prefer it to the stock system?
Yeah, I'm going to change all of them now.
Yeah.
Yeah, really.